Person said, if you go back, we bring you down. We deserve to get bring down.
Me just wake up. Drakes that you me come, but me do this quick and fast. Number one, Drakes, you get the most support because people see that you start take care of your kids them. Even if you don't take care of them in a real life, we didn't see that. But you come on the internet and Rosealee tarnish your name. She talk about your name pussy. She come out for her live and send people how much lion for you. Don't get number one. She say you not give your kids them nothing. You're the worst pooper. She make you look like the worst father there is in the world. You come out, you never used to diss her. That's one reason people start fuck with you. Two, you start show people see you're really there for the kids them. You build your house, people that help you if you do it on behalf of the kids them. Me come in place not because I like Rosealee, but because I realized that the stuff that she was saying about your kids was lie and you actually love your kids them. Now, when she and the three people them was friend, she used to class and she bring it down every day. Now she and the man a friend, you start get lion. Come on now, Drake, so you can't make sweets get a hole at uno.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat and you can't see upon the screen. Jake is giving reasons why he is cool with his baby moms, Rosealee. Yes, cause you know, say Ivany did a while him up for accepting gifts from her. Cause I'm licky. You see my say, and she's just out here using her mind to get back time so she can control him and scold him when he lose his gifters. Put in the comment section where you think about that because I'm not gonna lie to you, Rosealee. Respond to Ivan, you know. You see my I say. So here what we're gonna do, we're gonna hear what Ivan have to say, then Rosealee, then we'll listen to what Jake have to say at the end, and then we'll proceed with the next because whoa, can't we all just get along? You see me?
We understand say your baby mother, and baby father go always go back. But if it was because of a good intention, the internet would have beat us so bad. Me and you know say the only reason why she come back is because she and them people they are no friend. Me and know say she come and she said she want to put her 2 cents towards the house. Are you a stupid? That girl go put every cent to the house, and when she and the three people them go back together, she go bring it down and she go class you say she did put money for this. So like come on, if me did just see one video with the two on probably did up on the beach and enjoy on herself, or when they one restaurant, but I understand and I say, boy, yeah man, at least them a try cooperate now for true and whatever. But we all know say she do this out because she and the people them are not friend. And she gonna use everything and bring it down. And Rosealee know what she doing. She know that if she come with you and try for friend you up with the gift them, you go fall for it. She also know that the moment you fall for that gift, you're going to lose support. The first thing where Rosealee company up come cuss about was you getting gift and you now go last man number one. Remember good. Remember when she come on the app, you never disrespect her. You say you not disrespect your baby mother. And remember she come and she class you. She never class you about kids. She never class you about no relationship. She class you about say you's a cloud chaser because she see you at number one and say you now go last on it. Rosealee know that the people them don't like her, and once you fall for fear, look foolish so she go on it, you're eventually going to lose support. Rosealee come for drain your energy mentally and physically. She know what she do. She plan all of this before it even happen. She know exactly what she doing, and that is why we the people vex with you and we just assist you is a fool, you know, have no sense because we know what is our intention and we see it play out and you're blind to it. You're literally blind to everything we're going. Rosealee go come and do everything in her wits for get your back under her arm. And as soon as she do it, she go watch the people them will slowly and support you slowly drain away. You know, lose all of them, you know, because people still go stand by you regardless. But you're going to lose a lot of support when people see say you and Rosealee go back together. And you know what going to happen? Rosealee go diss you. She go diss you again. And when she diss you again, the all laugh is going to... You're not going to punch she, you know. The laugh now go depend she, all laugh is going to be on you. And you're gonna lose a lot of supporters. And at that Rosealee coming like some insect will just come for just draw out your energy. And at that is our aim for make you lose support. Rosealee no love nothing but ranking. Rosealee no care about your relationship. Rosealee no care about fuck. Rosealee don't have Akeem and that there's so fear love there. Only thing Rosealee want to do is drain your energy and take all of the support where you get because of that she's a bad mind for the support. I'm going to sit down nicely and watch how everything play out because I can't believe because of one lion. One lion. But big up yourself, Drakes. I love you same way and everything, but I just draw with myself a little bit because I just know how this is going to play out, and when it play out, I'm not going to make people laugh off of me like how them laugh off of you.
Putting in the comment section if you agree with Ivany. You know, it seems like Rosealee took a listen to what Ivany had to say and kind of counteracted her, you know. You see what I say? So let's hear what's popping.
Yesterday morning, I woke up and I sent my baby father a lion, and it caused a commotion on the net. Now, social media, let me tell you this, and haters. This is about the kids. This is not about me, and this is not about him. This is about the kids, co-parenting, and their well-being. Me and my baby father is not together. He has moved on, so am I. Moving on and doing co-parenting, we can do that. Don't judge. It's a baby mother and a baby father thing where most of us all, I don't want to say it, I don't want to be, I'm not going to shout, but most of all, somehow we experience these things. Yeah, baby father not there, you will cuss him out, he will cuss you out, and all of this and all of that. We're not going to cuss him. We're not cuss him, fam. Me and Jake said that. Jake's move on and have him woman and me move on and have my man. But we are parent. Jake's woman have to understand that and my man have to understand that. We are parent and we are trying to live good together so we can bring up forth our kids. What is wrong with you people? What is wrong with some of you people on social media? What is the big fucking issue? Sorry. What is the issue? You're all acting like we're monsters. He have said things in the past, so did I. Or I have said things in the past, so did he. But let me tell you this, what I get to analyze and get to understand. You see, if some of you try to control people. If you, like me, Rosealee, you would respect my decision. If you like Jake's, you would respect Jake's decision. It's not about us being together. It's about the kids. Some of you all know the situation with me and the government. It's there with it, and some of you all know the issues between me and the government, and you guys know the story. If I can help Jake's in any way, and it's
Put in the comment section if you think Rosealee is lying and conspiring just to bring Jake's down in the near future when she gets what she wants. But whoa, speaking about Rose and Jake's, like, yo, Valentine's date, Akeem is trying to skate away with her, you know. You see what I say? So we don't really know what go on for not to go on, you see me? But right now, Jake is going to explain to Shay that I'm not playing, you know, and I'm not going to make Rosealee feel less safe and that he's back in her life, or vice versa, right? So let's hear what I go on for not to go on and proceed with the next.
So my granny teach me about woman. My mother teach me about woman. I grew up with a female cousin, which them a woman. Them was young girl first till them turn woman. We grew up with them. So I know this thing. My cousin them, the female cousin them rough. Very disrespectful. Them say things to man, but me I say, yo, Jano. And just through the man them see we, as the man cousin them, that's when they get backstabbed. I tell you the truth. Because them do the things them in front of we, just through them know say. You understand? Yeah. But behind closed doors, them nah do the fuck with them, you know. But them come out and them see we as them see we so. They suck pussy boy and
yeah.
And that dog says, I look for where, I look for where, I look for where, I look, yeah.
Chat true. Triple
Me grew
chat.
up in them something, brother. Grew up in them something. So me know and them to reach me now and me I say, yo, John was time. You understand?
That move the chick
No,
them.
she said she want Lego that and she doing the fuckery and way. Me glad to hear that chat. Me not tell you like, me glad to hear she done. Cause me want to reach a point where we are behave like we are man and woman. Cause me tell you already from before now. A people where you love, a people where you have feelings for, you argue with, and them alone can hurt you. A people we have respect for and feel and ratings for, and them alone can hurt you. So you see me have behave like the educated one. Please leave me behave like the educated one. Or who know better do better than. Come on, I want to say it because the last time me I was alive, you know. And in my educated boy, oh, in my educated here, I'm not educated. I'm not telling the truth. Big man thing is not me, say so. You understand? And people always say so. And we might do well in a school and get to look a subject. It's not a big deal. It's a big deal. You understand? We might get to look a subject and you know, I know the one and two things in a school, it's not a big deal. Big man thing, not a big deal.
Right.
Bungla try to be on the right track. You see it? Some of like when I understand and stop going like something stupid, brother. Do man company internet come talk about how should this and how should that and should this and how should blood clot that. You see, the most of me can do for me youth them because every pitney would mind them mother and them father. They're together forever. You understand? When they not care, I'm not case yeah. The most of me can do for me youth them if you show them say yo, we not live like puss and dog. We might not destiny now, but you know, we're good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we might not can go shopping together, I have dinner together, I go on holidays together, but we not hate each other. You understand? Yeah. So stop when I could know exactly watch her. One on there. What she say? For the person that cause but I one good comment. The person said if you go back we bring you down. You deserve to get bring down. The person said if you go back the person said if you go back we bring you down. But deserve to get bring down. Yeah.
The blood clot me for feel in my life. Jake's no big man. Where you come here ask me about me feel for? Feel about what? Moderator, mute them. Go suck out to the woman come off from my life. Moderator, mute them people out of my life now, please. What the blood clot do no man torment dopey or spirit? Here trust chat.
Everybody with flowers. And jump at 4, come back on about 6 or 7. When I make 7 o'clock pass. I shop and come back on.
Much hours me have? 1. Oh, them stay. When we done here, I come back.
Chipper team, chipper.
Thank you, baby. Exactly, Lady Sure. I saw them dance, Sutanya. I saw them dance and stay. You hear the man say him not like dance. You know, like people are stupid. Co-parent no mean relationship. Them fool. Them a kill up themselves in the comment section. The man say co-parent in a mean relationship. Look pan co-parenting. That's what it mean. Them two, me say him just same night. They don't two dance, man.
Rich to rich.
You not kill up
Chad
yourself in the comment section.
Rich to rich. Chad light, yeah? Chad light, my G.
Them just deal with him over here. Him dance.
Don't feel like so run joke neither, you know. Listen now. He's a very fair person. Very, very. Me a Capricorn, you know. You understand? Me look on your side was my side. Very fair. Not gonna like you want to feel like so soft. Fairness different from soft. So you want to jump forward, listen, come over here and feel like so better rose. Not better rose, bro. You see? You jump off 5 rows and jump on the tan. Or the maca.
Straight madness, but that's what we like. People, when I go along with this no longer, you know, so do the right thing. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. I'm not like giving a quick update while go on for that to go on because people is making a big deal that baby mother and baby daddy is cool. Right? Right. Bless.